Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you desperately need a shower, but a real one just wasn't an option? Whether you're traveling on a long itinerary, out camping, or just dealing with a chaotic, busy day at home, staying fresh can feel like a challenge. That's where these Smart Wellness bathing wipes come in. They are marketed as the perfect shower alternative, and honestly, they live up to it. What makes them unique is that they are water activated. You literally just add a tiny bit of water, about 3 ounces, and they transform into a rich, cleansing lather. You scrub down, and then the best part, you just towel dry. No rinsing needed, and absolutely no sticky residue left behind. So this is also perfect if you have elderly people at your care. This is a great way to take care of them without all the mess involved and making it so easy and simple for you and them at the same time. So you just have to scrub these all over your body as you would with any other scrubbing device or like towel. And after that, you don't have any residues left over or any stickiness afterwards. So that's something that makes this product completely valuable and different from others. That way, it's that simple. You just add water and that's it.